Hello and good evening. Welcome to your fourth lesson. So, this is Mr. Khan, and today we're going to talk about two most important things. The first thing we're going to talk about is days of the week. چیز اولیه که امروز در موردش صحبت میکنیم days of the week یا روزهای هفته است. So listen to the pronunciation very carefully و تلفظش گوش بگیریم. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, D silent, Thursday, Friday, Saturday شنبه، Sunday یکشنبه، Monday دوشنبه، Tuesday سهشنبه، Wednesday چهارشنبه، Thursday پنجشنبه، Friday means جمعه. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the months of the year. و ماهای سال بریم. So the first one is January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a good evening.